a number of different types of assignments that you can be given on Google Classroom. Let's take a look at what some of those might be. Now, one thing that I want you to notice on this classwork page is that you have some icons that are gray and others that are a nice bright color. See those ones with the nice bright color? Those are the ones where you have something to do. There's an activity that you need to do, either hand something in, answer a question, do some type of activity, maybe even mark it as done. So we have a fantastic colored system that helps us to be able to see really easily which tasks on our classwork page have something that need to be completed. The first type of assignment that you might end up coming across is a question assignment. Now, in order to access your assignment, what you need to do is click on the title and it will expand your view to be able to see more details. But then what you'll want to do is you will want to click on View Question, and that will take you directly to the assignment page. That will provide all the details that you need to know, any additional attachments that your teacher might want you to have access to. And then over in the right-hand corner, you will see your options for answering this question. Now, in the example today, it is a multiple choice question, so you have a couple of choices that you can choose from. You will make your choice and then click Turn In. You will confirm that this is what you want to answer and then click Turn In again. One other thing that you're able to do directly on the assignment page is send a private comment to your teacher. Private comments are located on the right-hand side of the page. And all you need to do is click on the space and you can type your question or your statement, whatever message it is that you would like to send along to your teacher. And once you have typed everything that you need to, you simply hit Post. This will send a notification directly to your teacher so that they know that there is a comment on an assignment that they need to take a look at. Something interesting to note, and one thing that I really do like about the Google Classroom classwork page, is that once you've handed in an assignment, it is no longer that bright color on your classwork page. The thumbnail is now grayed out. So you can very easily see which tasks you have completed and which tasks are still left for you to do. Sometimes you might have an assignment given to you where you are not required to submit any files for evaluation, but you have a task that you are to complete. In that case, you will be directed in the instructions to mark the task as done once you have finished what you were supposed to. In order to do this, you open up the assignment, take a look at the instructions and any files that have been uploaded for you or links for you to follow. You complete the task. On the right-hand side under your work, you simply need to click on the button, confirm that's what you want to do and that you are not required to upload any files, and then click on Mark as Done. The other type of assignment that you can have given to you is one where you need to supply work that you've done, upload a file or work on a file that your teacher has given to you. Once again, you open up the assignment from your classwork page. Down the center of the page, you can see all of the instructions that have been given to you, and so you make sure that you read through that carefully to know exactly what the expectations are. And then on the right-hand side, under your work, if your teacher has provided a document for you, you will see one listed there. You simply need to click on it to open it so that you can access the document and start typing on it. However, if there is no file already provided for you to work on, all you need to do is hit the Add or Create button. That will give you the option for adding files from your Google Drive, links to websites, or even uploading from your computer. Once you have completed all of the work for a particular assignment and you've made sure that all of the files are attached that you need your teacher to have access to, you simply need to click the Turn It In button. confirm that you indeed have everything ready there for your teacher and you are good to go for turning it in. Now, one thing that you may notice with your documents that you upload and turn in, you end up turning over ownership to your teacher. And so you only have view-only access to your documents once they've been turned in. Say, for example, you realized after turning something in that you indeed needed to add a few more items. Well, all you need to do then is click on the Unsubmit button, and that takes back ownership so that you are able to make more changes, you have editing privileges again, you fix what you need to, and then you can resubmit it to your teacher.